Step into the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4WD, 4x4, 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning and aluminum wheels. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.